Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into how you can tackle or resolve context window size error when using foundation model in native iOS application. So let's get started. So it's very difficult for me to show you guys the output, but basically what here I'm doing is I'm asking the foundation model what is 2 plus 12. Okay, and if I just click on this click me button, it will give me some answer. After a few seconds it will be printed in the Xcode console, but that's not the point now. Just a quick heads up, if you want, so here you can see the output. If you want to run this foundation model on a simulator, you need to update to Xcode 26 and macOS Tahoe. Otherwise you can just run it on your real device as long as you have Apple Intelligence enabled, or if your device supports Apple Intelligence. Okay, now like I said, it's very difficult for me to show the context window size. You need to ask your foundation model lot of questions, so I'm not going into that. You can ask your foundation model lot of questions, or keep asking the same question again and again until it runs out of the context window size. But I'll show you how to handle the context window size error. So as usual, I have created a UI kit application, but you don't have to create a UI kit. You can use Swift UI as well. Like I shown you, it's very simple on the UI side. I just took a button and added a click listener, but you can take whatever you feel like. Then here I have just imported foundation model. Here we are getting hold of our system language model.default. Then we initialize our language model session as well. Then inside view did load, I have just initialized our button, added one click listener as well, and on click of our button we first check for model availability. If it is available, then I'm just asking is what is 2 plus 12. Okay, and whatever answer we are getting, we printing it to the console. Now in case suppose you have exceeded the context window size, then to create a new session you just catch it over here like this, and then just assign session equal to new session and assign the previous session. Now this is a different method which I have created. In case if Apple Intelligence is not enabled, then I display this error. In case model is not ready, so this error you will get most probably if you are running it on a device which does not support Apple Intelligence. And for default also I have just written the same thing. Now coming to the new session thing, here we are getting the transcript of your previous session. So transcript basically will get you all the question as well as along with the answers. Then here I have just created a transcript dot entry. Then I am getting the first entry out of it and appending it to this particular array condensed entries. Then if all entries dot count is greater than 1, okay, then I am getting the last entry as well. So suppose there are 100 entries, okay, 100 questions you asked, then it ran out of the context window size error, right? So I'm getting the first and the 100th entry and appending it to the array over here. So first we appended it over here and 100th would be appended it over here. Then we just initialize this transcript and pass our condensed array, and here we just written language model session passing in the condensed transcript. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.